Hey guys, today we are going to talk about what to do if you, one of your friends, or one of your clients is involved in a bad roofing project that's in progress. This is Charlie, and I'm Jay the Roof Guy. Charlie, how about you go get that ball, and I'm going to talk to people about what to do. Okay, so I took this call yesterday from a client who we had roofed their house 2 years ago, and he had a major catastrophe, a fire, and the contractor that he is using to rebuild the house would not let him reuse us to do the roof. That's okay, I understand. But he is just besides himself because he says these guys are installing the roof incorrectly. He wanted me to go out there and show him exactly what they were doing incorrectly and to set his contractor straight. Well, let me tell you, this is a recipe for a big, huge problem. But I had great advice for this customer, and I really wanted to help him a lot. And the best thing that I could do for him was to recommend, yep, you got it, the roof consultant. The best person to use in this situation is an independent roof consultant. The independent roof consultant will go out, will be completely unbiased. He will take a look at the work that's being done, and he will say, yes, this is being done correctly, or no, this is being done incorrectly. This report that the independent roof consultant will write can be used in court. You know, hopefully you don't have to go there. But if the situation should get to that point, then yes, you would have this report written by a completely unbiased person. And then, say for instance that the customer throws that contractor off the job and needs somebody like me to go in and pick up the pieces. We are willing to do that, but it's based on the report. We do exactly what is specified in the report, and we're able to figure out the costs of what the additional costs will be to the customer, and then the customer can use this to deduct that money from what he owes the original contractor. So the independent roof consultant can be your absolute best friend. If you have any problems, I recommend that you go to Google and Google independent roof inspector. And the thing I want to caution you about on this is there's going to be lots of roofing companies that say that they are roof inspectors. You do not want one of these people. You want an independent roof inspector who hopefully is an engineer also. If you have any questions, give us a call, look us up. Thanks for watching.